Hey there, are you ready to feel young and energetic again? Today I'm going to talk about how cycling can be a game changer for your health as a senior. I cycle daily, riding about 10 kilometers, and I can tell you it's a fantastic way to stay active and vibrant. First off, cycling is a low-impact exercise. That means it's gentle on your joints, unlike running or some other high-intensity workouts. If you have arthritis or knee pain, cycling can help you stay fit without causing discomfort. Now let's talk heart health. Regular cycling gets your heart pumping, which improves your cardiovascular fitness. This can lower your risk of heart disease, one of the leading health concerns as we age, but that's not all. Cycling can also help with balance and coordination. As we get older, maintaining our balance becomes crucial to prevent falls. Riding a bike helps strengthen those muscles and keeps you steady on your feet. And let's not forget about mental well-being. Cycling outdoors gives you a chance to soak up some sunshine and fresh air, boosting your mood and reducing feelings of anxiety and depression. Plus, it's a great way to explore your neighborhood and maybe even make some new friends along the way. Before you hop on your bike, remember to wear a helmet and check your bike's condition. Safety first, always. Start slow, especially if you haven't ridden in a while, and gradually increase your distance as you feel more comfortable. So, why not dust off that bicycle and give it a try? Your body and mind will thank you. Happy cycling?